Record, nalilimutan ko. Yun. Teka. Saan ba ako? Parang lumagpas na yata ako. Lumagpas na nga ako. 20 pa lang tayo. Next topic is interesting. Very interesting yan. Okay? So dito tayo. Sa pagpasok sa interface, so ito lang follow nyo later. Maglalab kayo on your own. No? So pumasok ko sa 1. Napasok sa first interface. Anong command yun? Int F01. And then, I'm gonna configure this one as switch port mode access. So when you say access, isang PC lang nakapasok. Okay? Hindi trunk. So meaning, single VLAN lang to. Okay? Single VLAN lang to. Then, switch port security. This is the command to invoke security feature of the switch. Okay, so what's the command to invoke the security feature? Switch port security. Okay. Then dito, tinype niya switch port security maximum 4. Meaning, it can remember up to 4 MAC address. Okay. Pero gusto ko remember lang niya isa lang. Okay, for the time being, isa lang. Then switch port security MAC address ito. So meaning, you are allowing this MAC address to access the server. Okay? So tulungan niyo ako, anong MAC address ng PC? Paano madi-display MAC address ng PC? Do?
Show MAC address table.
Tama, galing. MAC address table. Ay, douche. Ba't nawala? Kanina nandun na, di ba? Ito yan eh, oh. How will you know yung connectivity? Ito yung PC. This is the PC. Port number 3. Nakita niya? 3. So, ito yun. So, ito yung MAC address ng PC. Okay? So, copy nyo lang yan kasi yan yung i-allow natin. Then, switch port, sticky MAC. Ayan, switch port MAC address, meaning we are allowing this one. Switch port security MAC address to be. So what I'm doing allowing. Allowed to. Ay ba na allowing? So set sa specific security MAC. Okay? Tapos sino pa gusto natin i-allow? Yung server. Diba? So type nyo ulit. Cursor up lang. Palitan nyo lang yung MAC address ng server. Yun lang yung allowed. Meaning, pag hindi allowed, it will shut down the switch. Mamamatay. Mawawala yung connectivity niya yan. So, 2 lang allow ko. Ay, shit. Ay, teka, limit pala. Taasan natin limit. Limit 2. Okay? Para dalawa. Okay? So, dalawa lang remember niya. Malinaw. Nagets ba? Dalawa lang yung na-remember niya. So, sa totoong switch 24, edi 24 remember mo. So, meaning, any foreign MAC address which going to connect to the switch will treat as foreign address and should be block. Meaning, bablock natin pag wala sa MAC address table. Okay? So ito, na-remember na yan eh. Nasa MAC address table na to eh. Teka. 19. Na-remember ba niya yan? Do show. Ay, lambas 19 eh. Okay. So ignore ko na lang to muna. Okay? So ping na natin. Invalid command. Ping, ito baliktad to, ping minus T. Yan. Ganyan, so napiping ko yung server, okay? Ping server. Ito na yung attacker. So, may umatak. Kumo-connect na natin to. Teka, bago i-connect, papakita ko muna. Sige. Dapat mag-shutdown yung port. So, ito yung command. So, anyone which is not listed sa MAC address table, no, any violation, the port will be shut down. Okay? So, kailangan pumasok kayo sa interface na yon. No, switch port, port security, violation. Ano mga violation? Question mark. So, meron ditong shutdown, meaning papatayin niya. Another violation, restricted lang. Okay? Meaning, siguro, hindi siya babatuhan ng IP, he won't be able to go further. Protect naman, security violation protect mode, it will block some layer, no? Pero patayin na natin. Ibig sabihin, any violation will be shut down, no? Okay? So, pakita ko yung mga port do, show, IP, and brief. Nakasunod ba? Nakasunod? Saan port si attacker? Hindi ko pa pinapasok. Pero ipapasok ko sa port number 22. Okay? Naka-down yung 22, ha? So, press space bar. Naka-down yan, ha? Okay? Observe natin ano behavior. Ito na, ito na. So, walang kukurap, walang kukurap. 20. Teka, sandali. Saan ko pinasok? Ang bilis naman. Teka, delete ko muna. 20 nga eh. 20. 20. Okay? Violation shutdown. So, 20, it went to stop. It went to up. Okay? Nag-up siya, nag-up. Observe nyo. Dapat mag-shutdown yan. Okay? 30. Ember pa. I'm Ember. Dapat mag-down yan. Detecting. So, ginawa niya, listening, forwarding, detecting, tapos magkikick in yung policy to be shut down. No, kasi any violation should be shut down. No? Check natin. Switch port security violation. Do natin. Do show IP brief. Int. So, let niyo yung command, ha? Ano pag-check? Do show IP and brief. Uy, teka, ba't nag-up? Dapat di yan. Foreign yan, eh. No? So, may nalimutan tayo. So, daw namatay yan. Ba't di namatay? Ow! It will be applied to port number 1. Okay. Eh, sa ibang port ko pinasok. Delete ko lang to. Okay? So, kung hacker, pumasok sa 1, ito na. Pinasok niya kasi yun lang available ports eh. Yun na. Yun kasi may violation eh. Ayan o. Ayan o. Oo. Kita niya. So, the error, no? HP secure, the PC na pinasok sa 1 cannot be added and has been removed. Hindi yan ma-attack. Okay? Kita niya? So, hindi yan makakahugot ng IP address. Hindi rin yan makakapag-snoop. No? Kahit meron siyang packet sniffing tool, hindi yan makakapag-snoop. Show IP and brief. Tingnan natin 20. Ayun, no? Down. Oh, anybody ba hindi nag-up? Kasi nga yung violation. No? Anyone not listed sa MAC address has been violated. Yan. Okay. Okay, nagets ba? Nagets? Same rule with sticky MAC. Meaning, pag sinabing sticky MAC, yung port number 1 will only have that MAC address to be stick on interface 1. So, pag may pinasok ka pang PC, that will be shut down then. Okay? Yun ang sticky MAC. So, anong command na sticky? Pasok sa interface, switch port security MAC address sticky. VLAN 10. Okay. or sticky MAC address. Whatever yung na-learn, whatever learn, pas pinalitan mo, shutdown pa rin ng port. So how do you verify ang mga, ano yung show command? Anybody? Lord, nandito sa page 476, no? Show port security. No? Sir, paano ma-check? Sa page 476, ha? Tandaan nyo, sulat nyo sa notebook nyo, magta-take note kayo. So, lalabas dito, ano yung violation? Shutdown. Yun, kita niya? Okay, show port security, violation shutdown. And then, display, anong violation yung interface na yun? Interface 1. Anong violation? Port, because port has been secured. Pag any violation, it will turn off. Okay? Aging, unlimited. Okay? Last source was blank. Pag sticky yan, mare-remember niya yung MAC address nung last use na. Show MAC address. Ito yung mga command. Okay? How to disable, to remove yung table. Show MAC. Di ba meron dalawa? No? Paano burahin yan? Clear, MAC, address table, dynamic. Okay? Hindi na bura. Clear MAC address table. Okay, table lang tinype ko. Show MAC address. Later on, mabubura rin yan. Okay, so practice nyo yan. Okay, ganda muna tayo. Masyadong madami na yun. Madami na. Baka maiwanan na kayo, no? I would like you to absorb. So, gawin nyo yun. So, anong gagawin, sir? So, ito yung ating hands-on lab. Security. Switch security. So, pupunta kayo dito sa ating book. Babalikan nyo yan. Yun yung mga command. Tatype nyo lahat na. Set password. Set password on switch. No? Set MAC address. No? Then secure port number, interface number 1. Huh? So, yan ang lalab niya. Any question? Sa tatling hands-on lab niya. Bago tayo pumunta doon. Now, mabilis lang naman yan eh. No? Sa mga 20 minutes, okay lang ba? Hall meaning hands-on lab. Mga 20, parang kasi marami pa tayong topic. No? Hands-on lab number 1. Switch security. How to secure switch. No? Okay, so this will start from 6, 5, 4, 3. 3:21 na sa inyo. So 20 minutes lang, ano? 20, 30, 40. 3:40. Na? 3:41, I will come online to help you. Any question, Lord and Raf?
Wala naman, sir.
Okay, so how do you want me to call you, sir? Raf ba o Ralph?
Kahit ano, sir, okay na.
Okay na.
Ralph na lang siguro.
Ralph na. Okay. Nabubulol kasi. Okay, so I need to exit kasi I need to save yung recorded event and then you can chat me dito. No, chat mo ako dito. And then I will come online by 3:41 p.m. Okay? To troubleshoot. Mag-ano ako sa inyo? Mag-zoom. Okay? Okay? So,
Sir.
Lord, since we don't need GNS3 pa naman, you can perform this hands-on sa Packet Tracer. Working ba Packet Tracer, ma?